while most of my senior colleagues in the struggle, have been ministers for very many years. Me, in the 35 years of our regime, I have been minister for less than 5 years. And to me now, I think the best advice we can give him is prepare for a smooth transition so that we ensure stability and long-term peace for the long future. It should be our duty to save him from being Ngambanyenka. Wanyakore have a proverb, that the one who does not take advice brews some bad beer. But we should save the president that problem. Minister or no minister, I will remain me. The unique me and the only general Edda Tumwine, because I assure you that I am myself and I always ensure that I don't try to copy others.
Yejene yavaayo n'agamba Pulezidenti Museveni nti kyekiseera kye tukulembedde kimala era kati twetaaga okuteekerateekera eggwanga engeri gye tuva mu buyinza mu ngeri ey'emirembe, smooth transfer of power. Ekyo kyamunjagaza nnyo era n'ajjukira manifesto yaabwe nti ensonga ssemasonga 10 ze bajja nazo nga baakava mu nsiko ze baali basuubiza Bana Uganda zibadde tezinnaba kutuukirira. Era kyensuubira nti ye yakirabanga eryato kati lyekubidde bwe kiba kibanyi nga kyebye ng'alina okuddamu alwane buto okulaba nga Uganda etuuka mu Uganda empya. Era nze nnyoleddwa wamu ne famire y'Omugenzi ne Bana Uganda oboolyawo abatunuulidde enkyukakyuka nti omwami ono abadde afudde alokose ng'atandise okulaba amazima n'eggwanga wawe lyanditambudde. Era nga munankyukakyuka kano akaseera kennyininyini ndi muyongobevu nti Katonda amutuggyeko mu kiseera kye twandimwagalidde ddala okusinga ate ebiseera ebikadde bye tubadde naye. Era nze kyensuubira nti okufa kwa Tumwine kugenda kuyamba Bana Uganda bangi okumanya ebiriwo n'engeri y'okubyandolinga n'okutambuza eggwanga lyaffe ogenda maaso.
I think he knows that I am not after these positions that people clamor for, and perhaps that's why he would rather take care of his political interests of balancing here and there. And I remain a freedom fighter and I admire him and thank him as my teacher, my mentor, my leader and my hero. I will continue to give him my genuine support and advice. And to me now, I think the best advice we can give him is prepare for a smooth transition so that we ensure stability and long-term peace for the long future. It should be our duty to save him from being Ngambanyenka. Wanyakore have a proverb, that the one who does not take advice brews some bad beer. But we should save the president that problem. Or we should save him. There is a disease diagnosed by political scientists and psychologists that called hubris syndrome. It's our duty to help him not to have that problem, because it is the advice that we give him that will help him to do his work with everybody else and better than he would otherwise done if he was alone. He has given this country his best and he deserves an honorable retirement. He was talking of recruiting fishermen and following the path of Christ. And I really, on this one, want to say that if I read my observation, to me, the president has always been on the path of God, of Christ. He has followed the path of Christ. And he recruited the fishermen long ago. The Simon Peters, the other disciples are us. We are the disciples. We are the ones who can carry his message. We are the ones who know him very well. And in the process, we will come the ones like Zacchaeus Iscariot, the ones who are the tax collector. Zacchaeus, the one who was who had climbed a tree to climb a tree to be seen. They are welcome. Then there is the Pauls and who are souls. Those are welcome. but they need to work very hard, like Paul had to really pay the price, had to sacrifice. So I will welcome them always, and we really should continue on that path of following the path of God, of Christ, and do our best. As you know, Honorable Minister, we did not join this struggle for positions. Whether I am a minister or not, I have and will always work with and support those in positions to continue our vision and mission. You know, the Banyankole say, you don't ask a catastrophe from somebody who is necessarily old, but the one who has gone through it. I can say that while most of my senior colleagues in the struggle, you know, have been ministers for very many years. Me, in the 35 years of our regime, I have been minister for less than 5 years. But throughout the rest of the time, I have supported, I have worked, I have guided, I have helped those who are in those official positions, and I have served Parliament representing UPDF for all those years since 1986. As a matter of fact, to date, as we speak, I'm the longest continuous serving member of Parliament in the history of Uganda. In the British system, they call him the father of the house. It's the one we follow, but here they refused it for whatever reasons. I have always worked, mobilized, and supported the President and all those in positions in order to maintain our vision and mission of socio-economic transformation and specifically security. Some colleagues, you know, have gotten disgruntled and even left or even opposed us. I am on record for always maintaining my positive attitude, revolutionary discipline, and methods of work. Minister or no minister, I will remain me. The unique me and the only general heir to Tumwine, because I assure you that I am myself, and I always ensure that I don't try to copy others. I'll always be myself, different from others. But I will try to do my best and let God do the rest for this country. We have built our security forces and laid a firm foundation. As I always sing, adui akija, sisi tuko tayari. Adui akija, sisi tuko tayari. Should any enemy come, we are ready. We are ready. We are always tayari to deal with that enemy. Let me assure you of my commitment to support you as senior presidential advisor on security and as a fellow freedom fighter, which duty goes much beyond being a minister. You know, some of you are dying to be ministers. And you see people hankering to be ministers. I would like to emphasize again the need to maintain the teamwork among the National Security Council members.